Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another house tour video. So guys, today I'm at my friend's house and just started life outside, and so today I'll be sharing with you her house tour. Yeah, she lives in a two-bedroom, and so I'll be sharing with you her house tour. So yeah, she's here. She can introduce herself.
Hi guys, it's Dossi here.
Stay tuned and let's get right onto this video. We'll be starting from the door. This is the door. As we start from here, we have these gray curtains. And actually, the theme of this house is gray. Yeah, majorly it's gray. Then you'll see some other popping colors. So yeah, as we start from the door, we have these gray curtains, and we have these shears that really look nice. As you can see, it has flowers that are kind of gold. That is it for the door. And so, guys, this house has two parts. I mean, the living room has two parts. And so, we are going to start by this side where we have the TV stand, which was initially meant to be the dining dining area, but she decided to put the TV stand there. And so we have this beautiful wall art. As you can see, we have these two beautiful wall art on this side of the wall, and it really looks beautiful. And as you can see, I really love the lighting of this house. And then as you can see here, we have the TV area. I don't know how many inches it is. I'm not sure about the inches, but I really love how this house looks like. It's so simple, then it's not that congested. Yeah, you get it. I can say that I can say like the way she's decorated her house is the minimalist house arrangement. I can say that. Yeah, then you have this beautiful flower that matches the curtains, and then that flower vase, that glass flower vase, is from yours truly, me. In case you're interested in any of this, you can check me out on Instagram at 254.homedecor. I have a lot of things that I sell. You can check it out there, and also you can follow me. So we have that part of the TV area. As you can see, it really looks beautiful. I really love it. We have these curtains that are gold in color, and actually they match the flower on the TV stand. If you are so keen, you can see they really match. And also we have a white floral sheer that has gold like flowers, yeah, as you can see. And then we have a one-seater couch at that place, and we have a throw pillow that is yellow in color. I can say like it really matches so well, and the place looks so nice. So moving to this other side of the living room, I had told you we have two parts of in this living room. So first of all, I really love this large window. I'm really manifesting this, that in future I would really love to have a house that has large windows because it brings in the natural lighting and it really looks nice. Yeah, I'm manifesting that. This other side we have the couch, and I don't want to talk a lot. I just want you to watch and enjoy this living room. Like, yeah, let's enjoy. And then from the living room, we move to the master bedroom, which is Dossie's room. And look at how gorgeous this room looks. I mean, who wouldn't want to stay in such a room? It really looks nice. It really looks welcoming. Yeah, it really looks nice. And so immediately you enter the room, we have this mirror here, dressing mirror. Yeah, it's a dressing mirror, and that's me there. Moving to the second room, this is how it looks. It doesn't have much. As I told you, like, this house, it's decorated minimally. Like, it's not congested, does not have a lot of things in it. And so as you can see, this room, it just has the bed and that laundry basket. It doesn't have much. Yeah, and I think it really looks nice. I would really love a house that is not congested. Yeah. Yes.